What's up, guys? How everybody doing? Today I'm playing with slime. Yay, slime. Braylon, slime.
I mean, pretty much about like this YouTube. So.
And life is YouTube. Yay, slime. Look, I got slime, everybody.
Alright, guys, I'm gonna make the camera and I'm gonna. I thought of the perfect prank.
What?
So
Little
tomorrow,
lady.
yeah, Melody, I'm gonna put that up, and I'm gonna put the camera in here, cause I'm gonna be
No,
vlogging.
turn it around. Like, turn it this way. So
I
it
know.
doesn't look suspicious. Oh no, what the heck?
But like, she might take the phone.
I don't think she did. If she does, you have to see her.
Braylon, I'm gonna go.
Oh yeah, I could just do that to sue people now.
Hey, Braylon.
Huh?
When Cannon has to go inside, just because he could go inside my house, do you want to make a YouTube video of Minecraft?
Sure. But still play outside because.
I know, like
Oh,
not
look,
when.
this bubble. Oh yeah, I was playing with my slime. It was very easy.
I know we're gonna play.
Look, I made a
outside
bubble,
all
everybody. A bubble. And pop the bubble. Pop it. Pop it.
day Because
Yeah,
Cannon
pop
can't come inside my house. And why would he just be waiting?
Because I can.
Everybody, we got mail.
Mail.
Wait, I'm gonna put it.
Mail. We got mail. Mail. Try not to give away the addresses.
Oh yeah, try to not show the address. We're not trying to be mean, guys, but we don't like to show our addresses or anybody.
Because we're
else.
super famous and we don't want to know people where. Well, most of my fans know. Because most of my people.
I'm talking about like some of the subscribers,
Oh,
some
yeah,
of the
like,
views.
like 4 people.
Yeah.
Well, half of mine. About 7 of mine.
Yeah.
Stuff like that. Every time I hear my dog, I'm like, well,
People who like the score from the movie are gonna be like, are not gonna subscribe to you and stuff
why?
because they're gonna think it's Thor from the movie.
So yeah, we'll try to do that.
Well, Thor from the movie's better.
I know, but
Wait.
So guys,
No,
we're probably gonna
your real name is Caden.
because
Exposed. No, he was just exposed. We exposed him. His name was Caden. Exposed.
Okay, guys.
How does
we're
it
gonna
feel
end
to
this
be
video right now.
exposed?
I'm sorry I couldn't make it to 10 minutes or something like that.
How does it feel to be exposed, Thor?
But yeah, guys.
how does it feel?
Make sure you're liking. Oh yeah, the outro. Do that because outro. Do your thing.
Oh, look, music. What? What? What are you doing?
Stop trying to beat me up, Cannon, or you're gonna get
I wasn't trying to beat you up, by the way.
Cannon.
Yes.
Like the cannon.
Yeah.
Like the boom boom cannon.
Oh, he's calling out your name.
Well, that is my name.
No, he's talking about like the cannon, like the blow up cannon.
Yeah. That's what I am.
You are
But
the
I'm savage.
cannon, but I can disable you. I can destroy you.
Huh? Destroy you wherever. You can destroy me. In your dreams. Burn. Burn.
Stupid.
Not saying that. I'm just gonna end the vlog because I'm just gonna roast this dude, and I have to go put him on the grill because he's gonna be so burnt. So I'll see you. Peace. Make sure to subscribe.